it's me Muhammad from Tobys and welcome again with a new videos. Guys, today I'm gonna show you our new model T120 Pro with a high quality 120 watt single light, two light together 240 watt. So guys, let me show you what is the inside of the box and let me open for you and test in the tester. Gonna show Bane. So well guys, this is high quality compass. So well guys, inside double copper heatsink. So well guys, high quality CSP chip. Well guys, high quality super fan. So well guys, let me show you how many watts original power in the tester. Okay, come here. So guys, this is the original power light. So well guys, this is our 120 Pro. If you want to make order, visit our Dera outlets, Dragonmart branches, tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba as well. So well guys, thank you so much. See you next video. Bye bye.